Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to download movies on your Android device for free. So let's start. First open Google Play Store and search for Flat Torrent Downloader app. This app is completely free with over 10 million plus downloads. So download it right now. Then we need another app. Search for Torrent Search Engine. And download this app. This app is completely free. First you need to open this app. Now tap on Open. On the Torrent Search Engine app, you will see movies as well as TV series. You will find all your favorite movies and TV series here. But for this video, we'll stick with movies. Now let's search for a movie. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and search by the name of the movie. Now tap on the poster of the movie. And you'll see all the information of the movie here. Now tap on the download button on bottom right corner. These apps have a lot of ads, so beware of that. And this is your search result. Now tap on the search result with the highest seed. I will go with the second one. Now tap on Open Magnet with Torrent Client. And your flat torrent will automatically open. Now tap on the plus icon on top right corner. And the movie will be added to the queue. Here you can see I am also downloading another movie. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.